Hi everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at Shane's Tanaka chainsaw. We wanted a little more performance out of it, so I did a little bit of work on it for him, some West Coast upgrades. It's got the very large falling spike and done a little bit of tuning on it. We'll fire it up and make a couple cuts with it. Features that Sylvie razor grind, that chisel micro chain, very fast cutting chain. If you have any questions on these West Coast chainsaws, give the chainsaw guy a call. This saw will be disabled at the end of this video, not to be used for any type of wood cutting.